Hey guys, do you remember the screwdriver and the vacuum cleaner from the previous videos? If we open them, we're gonna see this. In the screwdriver, we have 4 rechargeable battery, powerful engine, it's V8. Yeah, it's V8 gearbox. In the other side, we have the vacuum cleaner. And here we have a weak engine, on and off switch, a fan, and some air. And that's it. So today I will gonna try to remove all this garbage and I will try to put all this stuff here to get a powerful engine, rechargeable batteries, so no need for this wire anymore. It will be a rechargeable vacuum cleaner, and I hope so. This engine will make it a real vacuum cleaner and give it the ability to carry a heavier stuff. So yeah, let's do it. First, we're gonna remove all that. Now it's completely empty. Second, I'm gonna put all that here. The good thing that the old engine is in the same size of the new one, so the process will be more easy than I expect. I'll remove this part, put it here. Okay, it fit perfectly. Okay, the batteries will be here and I will open a hole here so I will be able to charge them from the back. The engine is in good position. I don't need the flashlight, so I will leave it there. The LED lights will be inside. I guess I'll be able to see them from here. Rotation switch, I don't need it either. I'll just leave it inside too. And now we have a little problem. It's called on and off switch. How I turn it on and off from outside. As you can see, the switch is built for click and hold to make it on. And I don't need that. So I'm gonna use the old switch. Let's pull everything out again. And here is the switch. So we're gonna try now to wield one side here and one side in this little metal. So let's do it. Okay, let's try it. It's working. Nice. Okay, now let's finish this. Here is the fan. This is how it's gonna looks like from inside. Now I will tie the battery with a zip tie. And now for the charger input. Here is the charger. I have this piece of wood. Now I will stick it right here to prevent the charger from moving anywhere. I guess now it's time to close it. Now let's try it. Now look at the light. It's way more different. Now it's time to try how strong it is. Tissue. Done. Sand. Done. Small seeds. Done. Rise. Done. And finally, lupins. There is nothing in the ground heavier than that. And it's done. It is done. Yeah, it is done. We did it. Now we have a powerful rechargeable vacuum cleaner. And that's it guys for today. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.